As a busy professional, your days are filled with non-stop meetings, deadlines, and never-ending to-do lists. By the time you finally make it home, all you want to do is relax and unwind. But instead, you're faced with the daunting task of cleaning and organizing your home. Imagine coming home to a sparkling clean house where everything is taken care of for you. No more spending your precious free time scrubbing floors, dusting shelves, or doing laundry. Our professional cleaning service in Edmonton can make that dream a reality for you. Our team of experienced and reliable cleaners will take care of all your house cleaning needs, leaving you with the freedom to enjoy life to the fullest. Take back your free time and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a clean and organized living space. Whether it's spending quality time with your loved ones, pursuing your hobbies, or simply taking a moment to relax, our house cleaning services can help you make the most of your precious time outside of work. Visit www.albertahousecleaning.ca today to get a free quote and discover the joy of coming home to a sparkling clean house. Take the first step towards reclaiming your time and enjoying life to the fullest. You deserve it.